Our main value proposition is we provide components, means electronics, based on single pair Ethernet for making sensors and actuators network able. In the end, we are a component provider, and best use can make system integrators, because their efforts shrink, and so by integration efforts are lowered by our technology, and so we are the first-class users of our devices. Yeah, so the best projects we have are retrofit projects right now. This is because of a lack of availability of built-in systems, which you can do with our module, of course, but so right now you have to work with adapters, and so retrofit applications are very well. So wherever you want to have some information in an upper IT layer. For example, there was a valve manufacturer which produces for automotive industry, and now we are forced to have quality control digitized. And so digitizing this test place completely was done then with our components, because the data could be fed directly into a database, which then is sent to the automotive manufacturers. There are many people now advertising single pair Ethernet, while we say from our side we have the best understanding, because we will complete system depending on mechanics, electronics, and also on software, and we are the only one who sell right now a complete system. And there are many things sold on this technology, but I would like to say here the key element is that it's smaller than traditional Ethernet, and with that you can integrate it in the smallest devices like a single sensor, a single actuator. And the benefit on user side is on software level, not on any hardware thing, and so on software level, because now you can communicate from within a virtual machine in the cloud down to the sensor directly. And this easiness, this is the main benefit of the technology, and just forget about all the other things other people want you to solve. It's already established in automotive industry. I said beginning of last year there were 400 million ports already installed in cars. Other sectors are growing, so next I expect building automation, and also industry will follow, because there are many discussions, but also other areas. For example, if you go to agriculture, there is a high-speed Isobus, which is standardized for a connection between tractor and pulled things, and there is a single pair Ethernet designed in, also with truck-trailer interfaces. Also single pair Ethernet is written now to the standard, so whereas it's in the end it's a technology which can be used widely, but yeah, in automotive already established. Next I expect building automation, closely followed then by industry. So we had security in mind when designing the product from the beginning. In the end, now we have end-to-end communication, and we can use with all the protocols we already have in IT, and we can directly applicate it, and we did it. And with that we have already a device which will fulfill CIA. Of course, some rules are not defined yet, but no worries on that. This is also a big advantage of the technology, because securing any other thing than network communication is really hard, because you have to reinvent the wheel. Now you can just use what's already there in terms of software to have a secure environment. And the focus we put on it is user friendliness. This may what makes us so special. We had in mind that a typical operator which connected sensors to a PLC in the past can now set up a secure application for industry, but you have to design it that way, that it's simple. That's possible. We know every one of us uses a secure messenger. Every one of us using a web bank account right now. So you can have user-friendly security, but you have to design it in, and we did. I see that here the discussion on cybersecurity is way more advanced than in other areas in Europe. And so I liked this very much, because typically we go there and we have to take care of security, and here it's no question on the topic. Here's already a discussion how to solve it. And so this is yeah, just seeing the difference across Europe, this is very interesting for me, and so that you think this much about security, this is really great.